Hello friends, welcome to my channel Made About Construction. My name is Deepak Varshani and this video will show you what is clean screen in AutoCAD, how to turn on clean screen and how to turn it off. Clean screen minimizes most of the user interface except quick access toolbar, the command window and the status bar, which maximizes the drawing area so the user can get a bigger drawing area. In other words, when the user turns on clean screen, all the controls, tools, ribbon, toolbar, palettes disappears from the screen except the quick access toolbar, the command window and the status bar, and the user gets bigger space to work on their drawings. If the user is working on multiple files, then this file tab gets disappeared from here. So now let's see how to turn on clean screen. To turn on clean screen, you have to type command clean screen on without any space and press enter. So you have noticed all the controls and toolbars have been disappeared except quick access toolbar, status bar and command window. Now we will see how to turn off clean screen. To turn off clean screen, we have to type command clean screen off without any space and then press enter. So here you can see our original user interface. A quicker way to do this is by using Ctrl 0. If you press Ctrl 0, you can turn it on or turn it off. Ctrl 0, turn it on, and again Ctrl 0 to turn it off. So this is how you can switch between clean screen state on and off. To know more about clean screen, you can check this article. The link of this article is given in below top comment and in the description of this video. Please feel free to use the comment box below for any comments or question. Thank you so much for watching this video.